Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna see how to activate Palutena'S Guidance. Firstly, this special taunt only works with pit, not dark pit. You must be on the Palutena'S temple stage for this Easter egg to work. You need to press the down taunt button for exactly 1 frame, which is a very quick tap. On Nintendo Switch Pro Controller, press the D-pad down, bottom right area, quickly without holding it. And for Joy-Cons, press down the D-pad as quick a tap. Make sure you are not attacked or performing another move when trying to activate it. If done correctly, Pit will start a special conversation with Palutena, Viridi, and others about his current opponent. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Let me know if you need more help on this. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.